Hey guys, it's Sampson Loftis here again. We're going camping today. We bought some drinks and some snacks, and Jessica's boyfriend Weston's coming, and her dog Kato is coming. And so we're very excited to go camping, and we're bringing some fire to roast a campfire, and we'll sing Campfire Song Song, just like on Spongebob. Well, we're just gonna get everything packed up, and then we will leave. Goodbye, Bountiful Utah. We'll see you tomorrow. Alright, we're here. Let's start a campfire. I call this one the Campfire Song Song. Let's gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song. Our Campfire song. And if you won't sing it faster, then you're wrong. It'll help if you just sing along. Campfire song, Campfire song, and if you'll help if you just sing along. Oh yeah! Alright, Kato, do you want to run around the forest? Ruff, ruff! Kato, are you getting tired? Ruff, ruff! Well, I'm getting tired. I'll see you guys in the morning. That was a fun trip. Let's go home. That was a fun trip. Well, I'll see you guys next time.